Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get to your template for your recipe writing. So I'm already on the page that says click here to work on your recipe writing. Now I'm going to click on the link that says click here to type your recipe. Once that page loads, it's going to take you to Google Docs, but you are not going to make a new document. Your document is already going to be made for you, and it's going to have your name on it. So if you scroll down on the Google Docs page, you're going to see just your document, and it's going to have your name, and it's going to have highlights at the top. If you click on your document, here's what you're going to see. So it says right here in the highlights, here are two examples from Mrs. Hovey and Miss Robinson. These are to give you an idea of what a final recipe would look like. Scroll down to page 5 to start your writing. So feel free to look through Mrs. Hovey's recipe, look through my recipe to see how we set them up. What's highlighted in red are the things that you want to be sure to include in your recipe. So right here, the first part, other than the title, is the connection between your family and your recipe. How is your recipe connected to you, your family, or your culture? So that's pretty much your introduction to your recipe. Once you've gotten that in, you're ready to add in the materials. So all of the cooking tools that you're going to need to make what it is you're sharing with us, that's what goes under materials. Now, the next part are the ingredients. What are the items that you're going to use in your recipe? The actual food items. That's what goes here. The next part are the step-by-step directions, how to put your recipe together, okay? How to put your food together. So Mrs. Hovey's are listed here in order. Notice that they are complete sentences. They've got the capital letters, the periods at the end. After that, if you have extra notes that you want to add on, like some additional fact or tidbit about your food, that's going to go in the extra notes. Like some people might be making something that is traditional not just to them but to their entire culture, and they may want to include that information in this part of the recipe. Now the last part is the picture. If you have a personal picture of your recipe, please include it into your Google Doc. If you need help doing that, no problem, I can show you how to do that. If you don't have a picture, what we can do is work on finding a picture that's close to what you made from your recipe and add it in from Google Images. That's completely fine. All right, so just wanted to walk you through how to get to the template. Again, you're not making a new one. You're looking for the one that's already in your documents. You just have to scroll down a little bit to see it. Happy writing.